channel, people. It's always a sad moment, isn't it? That was a sick week though.
I had the best time.
You have a good time?
Yeah, good to me.
We're off to Zante now. Love ya. Alright, brother. See you next time, yeah? Bye-bye. Alright, boss, how are you? You good?
Emirates Airlines.
Emirates, yes. You know the business terminal?
Business class.
Business class, yes. If you haven't seen the last video, go and watch it. Flew in on a private jet and made some sick memories all week with some great people. But yeah, we got a big show tonight in Zante, in Icon nightclub. It's a headline show. It's sold out. I cannot wait. I haven't been on the decks in like 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited. Carl and Aaron are getting a flight from Dublin now. I've got to go from here to Athens, stop over, and then go to Zante from there. The promoter just texted me, telling me that there's a boat party on tonight. What they want to do is grab me and Carl from the airport, drive us over on a speedboat towards the boat while the boat party's on, and we'll jump on the decks and do a little set in the ocean. So yeah, it's gonna be sick for content. But yeah, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, subscribe, goes a long way. Comment what you want to see next. This is my first time flying business, by the way. I've done first class, private jet, before business, which is so backwards, but yeah, I'm excited to see what this is like.
Miss you when you're leaving. I don't wanna miss you when you're gone. I don't wanna love if you can't mean it. So come on, come on, come on.
Arrived at the airport. Let me see the service you get at this part, man. Vlogging, bro. What's your name, bro? Julius. Julius Caesar. There you go. For YouTube. Hey, gang. Top guy. This is my first time going business.
Business.
Yeah.
You will enjoy it.
Yes, for sure. I hope so. You live in Dubai a long time?
Almost 10 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you from originally?
Kenya.
Kenya? Nice. Ireland. Yeah, but
Nice to see you.
Irlanda. Check the thermal. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Brother, thank you so much.
Welcome, brother.
Okay, have a good day.
Same to you.
See you next time. Have a good one. Bosh. Bike's in through. I reckon security be sweet here now. Sail through. Beside this terminal. Snazzy. Okay, so this flight to Athens is 5 hours long. Going to try to get a bit of sleep on it because I only got like 6 hours last night. And I know that tonight I'm going to be up late. So yeah, when I'm DJing I always try to get a good bit of sleep on the way over to the gig because obviously we're up late and sleep is important. So yeah, it's currently 9:45. I think the gate opens in 25 minutes, so business class lounge, may as well check this out. Last time I was here I was in the first class, so I'm expecting a bit less, but okay, gotta be grateful. Okay, what it is done. Bit of yoga in the airport before I fly. Can't knock it. Actually might join in, body feels stiff, man.
Welcome, Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
The 11 is down to your left. It will be boarding in the next 20-25 minutes.
Okay.
With no announcements inside. Just make sure
Okay.
you're there on time.
The gate is this way?
Yes. Another thing, you can exit from the smoking area.
Ah, okay, perfect.
Straight down to your left.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you. Mr. Williams? Ow! Tell me more. So you know what? Networking in here would be sick because obviously a lot of business people being here. I'm going to try to chat to as many people as I can on this flight. Make some connects. Because your network is your net worth. And that's a fact. It's not about what you know in this life. It's quite literally who you know. And that's the reality of it. Can we have a little gargle? And we have a little bevy? Because I'm just going to celebrate. I'm going to toast to a good summer ahead. It's mad, yeah. I went for a float around the business lounge. Left me bags here. And untouched. Boy, it's just too safe, man. Too secure. that was anywhere else in the world, that shit would have been gone. Gonna head down to the gate now in about 5 minutes. Jump on the plane and experience business class for the first time. Definitely gonna get locked in this flight though. Taking a few Hennessy's. I'm gonna land in Zante, lit, ready. Let's get it. So I'm on gate B11. I was only watching that Indian plane crash last night, and your man that survived, he was in row 11, hopped on the 11th, and when he got to the hospital, he was in like, the ward 11. I'm not saying anything bad here, I'm just saying, yeah, 11's a good number, so. Athens, here we come. Let's go. The board said Newark. I thought it was gonna be a Home Alone job there, eh? Fucking hell. Just skipped the entire line. Hello, how are you?
Thank you. 380, name is 382 on this way, please.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Like our love won't stop. We got a good thing. Now and then the times get tough, but we don't give up. We got a good thing. How long can the river flow? Like our love won't stop. We got a good thing. Now and then the times get tough, but we don't give up.
Slippers and an eye mask. Headphones. Big blanket. Yeah, sick. Madness. This year so far I've done first class, private jet, and now business class. Wow. Grateful, man. Grateful. Inshallah we do even more. One of my goals is to just never fly economy again. Just be in the position to always fly business. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you doing?
Good, yeah?
Something to drink for you?
So what's this one?
Moët de Chandon.
Okay, and
Champagne, fresh orange juice or tropical twist?
oh, I'll take a champagne,
Of
yeah?
course. Can I just place it here?
Yeah, of course, thank you. Cheers to that. Ooh. Champagne's a mad taste. But yeah, I'm gonna get cushy here now.
Everybody wants you. Nobody else is good enough.
This one's called lentil soup. Got a cocktail called Cosmopolitan.
Oh yeah. Overlook, can't wait forever. And I just can't wait for heaven. So tonight, let's get together. Baby, what are we waiting for? Girl, you are the one I want and I want you now.
Banging. Banging. Just ordered a Hennessy and Coke. Watching this film called The Influencer. I'll tell you what it's like.
Can't wait forever. And I just can't wait for heaven.
I've just landed in Athens. My hair's all over the gap. I don't give a bollocks, but yeah, we're here. 2 hour stopover, and then we're off to Zakynthos. Yo, so just in the next part of this airport, sent it through, nice and easy. Got my bag checked in for Zante, and now we've got about an hour till the flight takes off, so we get a bit of scran, chill out, and yeah, get ready for the next flight. First of many flights this summer, you know. But yeah, I'm ready for it. Oh shit, propeller is never good. Landed in Zante. Carl and Aaron have landed in, they're outside waiting for me, so I'm gonna go collect the case, get straight out. I think the plan is I'll head to the villa and get ready for a big show tonight. Let's get it. Yes, the boys.
You have the lights.
We have linked them.
Zakynthos.
Zakynthos, la. Boys, the boat party going on here. I'll pull up on a speedboat. We're gonna jump on, get on the decks, and run the gap, yeah? You up the lads?
Yeah, run. Boys, We are fucking active, lads.
Yeah, we're coming in at some speed.
Coming in hot.
Serious
Don't mess
speed.
about.
We're jumping on these decks and we're gonna take over this party. So let's fucking rock.
Yes, that was. Oh yeah. Fucking hell, bruv. We should be right up on the boat, ready to smash it. Last 3 hours in the gap cooking, getting 2 tunes in the USB. Carl's made a sick opener.
Can't wait to play it. It's gonna fuck. It's mental. It's gonna go off. Telling you.
We're going on the back end just down to Icon. We're gonna have an hour sit, so get ready. Buckle
Yes. Mr. O'Hara behind the camera.
up. Hold on, let me try and
yourself.
flick this motherfucker.
Yeah.
What up, motherfucker? Icon Zante, number 1. Let's go. Go ahead. What are we saying, boys? Let me ask you a question.
What?
Do you ever get nervous before a gig?
Don't get nervous around here. We get hyped up. We get ready to rock, mate. Do you get what I'm saying?
That's how it is.
We're ready to go down there and absolutely rock this guy.
Yeah.
We're upside down.
We own this shit. We own.
Yo, yo. It's the next morning. It's like 12 o'clock. Sun's beaming down today. Beautiful weather. Yes, the lads. Yes! Yes!
Oh yes.
What are we doing? What are we doing now?
Whatever, we're going to get breakfast.
Breakfast.
Going
to get fed. Get stoned out of the head. Going to get fed and get stoned out of the head. Let's go! Rash glad. Yeah, let this guys properly think.
We're out here, lads. Isabel's getting here up for a good breakfast.
Starving, man.
Oh, boys. Carly doesn't have on the phone talking to you. Doesn't know what he's at.
On business.
On business, you know.
Listen, we're smoking the healthy.
What are we getting for a group, brother?
We don't smoke, we're not smoking tobacco or anything, you know what I mean?
Irish breakfast.
We're
Yeah,
smoking
same.
a
That's the kind of buzz we're on today.
It's great.
It's brilliant. I'm doing a bit of video. I'm doing a bit of videography for the boys, though. And I played a little bit of a set as well last night, so we had good crack, you know. Yeah, steady. I'm at the order myself a daiquiri and everything. I may as well.
How greedy.
How greedy he says,
Fucking.
huh? Brownies. Yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? The strawberries in it, so we should.
That's no excuse. Say hello to the YouTube video.
Hello, YouTube.
Happy Father's Day, man. I've had a bad experience on club bikes in Zante, yeah, the last 2 times I was here. So I'm paranoid doing this, but you know what? If you don't face your fears, God's will. Let's go. Can't really see in the camera, but oh, I'm sunburned like fuck. Today we got the quads, went on a little spin for about 2 hours, just floating around, and I got very badly burned. So then I came back, had a nap, just woke up, and now I think I'm gonna go for some food. So yeah, come us. Yes, the boys. Thank you, boss. Look, so I was coming down here earlier and the quad just broke down, so there's no petrol. Now we have some. The smell of petrol's bang,
Isn't it?
isn't it?
Oh, man.
You don't like that, you're beautiful.
Well, let's hope this works. It will, won't it?
Yes, people, that is the end of the video. Hello, please.
Hi. If you don't subscribe, then you're
I'm in trouble, So sorry I didn't vlog as much as I should have in Zante. It was just a bit last minute thing. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be a banger. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Peace out. Big love.